Are you still hunting through random folders just to find a kick drum this year? And if your browser isn't organized, you're killing your workflow. Today I'm showing you the 2 fastest ways to link your drum kits to FL Studio so you can find your favorite 808s in seconds. Let's get these packs installed. And first, we have the absolute easiest way. Open your computer's file explorer and find your drum kit folder. Drag that entire folder directly into the FL Studio browser on the left-hand side. FL automatically will create a shortcut. If you want to keep it permanent, you can head to Options, File Settings, as shown on the screenshot, and you'll see your folder already listed there. It's a 5-second fix for a lifetime of organization. And if you have a massive external drive, do this instead. Go to Options, File Settings. Under Browse Extra Search Folders, click the folder icon on an empty slot. Navigate to your main samples folder on your drive and hit OK. Give it a browser name like Mega Drums. Now, every time you open a file, your entire external library is ready and searchable without taking up space on your internal SSD. And your browser is now a powerhouse. If this production tip helps you sharpen your beats today, smash that like button and subscribe.